Hello everyone, welcome to Taiwan Live Room. This is Atorin.
Hello everyone, this is Xiaomei.
Our company are manufacturer of common rail injector and pump test vents. We also could supply common rail tools and spare parts, and we have our own production line. Today we will introduce 3 kinds of tools for CUMMINS X15 injector. Now we show our X15 injector. The first tool is HPI CUMMINS X15 injector leakage tool. This tool is CUMMINS X15 injector nozzle leakage test tool. And this tool is CUMMINS X15 camshaft locking tool, engine timing tool.
It has 4 different sizes.
This one is our package box for CUMMINS X15 injector, PIP brand. Except for these tools, we also have spare parts for CUMMINS X15 injector, such as valve and other spare parts. We will introduce this information on following live room. If you want to know more about our products, please welcome to visit our website. This is our website, and could download our CR book app to know more about our products. If you want to know more about our company and products, please follow our channel. See you tomorrow.